graduates, please raise your right hand and repeat after me. With a sober sense of responsibility and invoking the benign aid of God, I promise to hold my diploma with untarnished honor to myself, in generous loyalty to my alma mater, the University of Northern Philippines, and unselfish service to the nation.
Alumni Pledge. Dear graduates, please repeat after me. I, a graduate of the University of Northern Philippines, do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide by the Constitution and bylaws of the UNP Federated Alumni Association, bear the standards of my alma mater with pride and loyalty, hold my diploma and dignity in the service of my God, my country, and fellow men. And finally, that I impose these obligations upon myself without mental reservation or purpose of evasion. So help me God.